In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the rotor from your top load washer. So I've got the washer laying on a table, ideally at home. If you're doing this, you're going to want to put a blanket on the floor, of course remove your power, remove your hoses, drain the water out of it the best as possible, and then lay the machine on its front or its back so you can get everything accessed from the bottom. So we've got that all set up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 10mm socket and we're going to remove this bracket. It's held by 4 bolts. So we're just going to take those out. And we'll just set it to one side now that we've got it unbolted. It's held in place on the agitator shaft by one nut that is 17mm. Now the manufacturer puts a couple drops of blue Loctite on that thread, and it uses an aircraft style locking nut. Basically it has a nylon washer in there so it doesn't vibrate off. It's regular normal thread, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So just go to put my socket on, I'm just going to give it a whack. That'll break the tension of the Loctite and it'll just unthread. So you're just going to wiggle and pull and fight that magnetism, and your rotor is removed.